Most Instagram advice is dead wrong. Here's what actually works in 2026. The formula is simple. Retention plus consistency equals growth, but here's the part nobody tells you. You need to hook viewers in the first half second, not 3 seconds, half a second. Post reels 4 to 5 times per week, carousels twice weekly, stories daily. This isn't negotiable anymore. The algorithm rewards volume when paired with quality. Your content needs pattern interrupts every 3 seconds. Fast cuts, text overlays, unexpected visuals. Keep watch time above 60% or the algorithm buries you. Engage with 20 accounts in your niche daily. Real comments, not emojis. The algorithm tracks authenticity now. Finally, analyze your metrics obsessively. Double down on what works. Kill what doesn't within 2 posts. Growth isn't magic, it's math. Follow this formula consistently for 90 days and watch your account explode. Please take a look at my link in the description below to excel your growth. Thanks.